Welcome, in front of me I have Huawei Watch GT3 and I'm gonna show you how to uninstall the applications on this device. Before we start, if you want to uninstall the applications from your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Huawei Health application. Once the devices are paired, we can continue, and now we can open the Huawei Health application on our phone. Oh, let me close it and open it again, like this. Once you open the application, you should see the Health page. Now you can tap on the Devices icon, select your Huawei Watch GT3 from the list of devices. On this page, scroll down and find the App Gallery option. If you're missing the App Gallery option and the watch faces, it could be because when you installed the app and opened it for the first time, you had the option to select the region you reside in. And if you selected the wrong region, it might not be, the options might be not available for you. For example, I'm pretty sure if you select the United States, you won't have the access to these features, and I selected the United Kingdom and I have the access. So if you're having a problem, you don't have the features right here, you can try to reinstall the app and change the region to something else, and hopefully that will fix your problem. Okay, now if you have the App Gallery option, tap on it. Then tap on Manager. Then select Installation Manager. And here we have the list of apps installed on our watch. And we can uninstall them by tapping on Uninstall button next to one, then tapping on Yes. Or we can also tap on Select Multiple. And if you want, you can select as many as you want, then tap on Uninstall. And then tap Yes, of course. Okay, and now the apps are uninstalled, so we can wake up the screen on our watch, open the app menu, and as you can see in this menu, the apps are gone from it, the ones that we uninstalled. And that's how you uninstall the applications from this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.